Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be discussing about how to use filters in Salesforce dynamic forms, and we'll also seeing how to upgrade to dynamic forms. So I am in opportunity record page. So please before get started, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So I am currently in opportunity details record page. So on clicking on the gear icon, I can click on our edit page. So clicking on details tab and I want to upgrade now. Like you can configure record details sections and fields right inside the Lightning app builder. Upgrade to dynamic forms and start putting individual fields sections anywhere on the page. So on clicking on this upgrade now button, we can upgrade to a dynamic form. Clicking on this dynamic form button, clicking on next. So we can choose like our existing page layouts from which that form will be the which page layout it should take, right? So I am selecting like opportunity layout. On clicking on finish, it's upgraded to dynamic forms. So dynamic forms, there are lots of new features added with this dynamic forms. Like we can add conditional formatting, we can add like different filter conditions as well with this help of the dynamic forms. And clicking on save, we can save the lightning form and we can activate this page as well. I'm clicking on assign as work default, selecting desktop and phone. So this is how like we can simply upgrade to dynamic forms. So now I can show how to navigate to the dynamic forms lightning record page, that is called flexi page as well. So from the home page, we can navigate to the object manager. So this is for opportunity. So I'll be searching opportunity, and in the object of the opportunity, we can find this lightning record page. Since it's already upgraded to the dynamic form, so this flexi page already created with upgradation from the page layout. So we can use like opportunity record page got created, and like we can edit directly, and we can navigate to the same um lightning means opportunity record page builder. So now I'll be showing how to use that filter conditions in this dynamic form. Okay, so like I want to add filter condition on lead source. So like based on the lead source, that type will be selected. Okay, that uh, one use case we can choose for our this session. So lead source, I'm selecting like I'll be adding the filter means that field visibility filter condition on this type field. Like so, record field, I will be selecting this type like whenever the lead source. So there are different three types are available, like record fields, device, and advanced are there. So on advanced, clicking on, we can find different kind of standard like user fields, permission related fields. We can use the custom permissions as well in here. There are lots of flexibility added with this form. Uh, but as of now, I'll be just selecting the record field, like selecting like based on the lead source, the type will be selected like whenever the lead source equals to for this case like phone inquiry, then I need to show that type only. So that use case I just added, like, and also we can make it like required read only or read only or none or required. So like based on the if the this condition matches, then only this field will be shown. Whenever that lead source is phone inquiry, then only this type field will be shown. And that whenever the type field will be shown, so UI behavior is currently none. But if we choose like required, then whenever that lead source is phone inquiry, this type field will automatically got required, means that is require will be a required field, means when we need to fill up that value to save the record. So that's how this conditional this filter condition or UI behavior works in this dynamic form. And for as of now, let me save this page. and I will be testing quickly this one. Will be refreshing. Like you can see that the type field is currently invisible. So I'll be selecting the lead source as phone inquiry, then the type field got automatically visible on selecting the lead source as inquiry. So again, I'll be saving this one and let me edit this page again and to show that required how the UI behavior works on this dynamic page as well. Let me choose the UI behavior as required. Okay, and I'm saving this page. So this means whenever the lead source is phone inquiry, then this type field will be required. Let me test this out. So currently the web, and whenever I'm selecting phone inquiry, the type field got that asterisk red asterisk icon before that field. So this needs to be filled with value. We can't save it. We can't make it none. So that's how this dynamic form works. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. Thank you.